of the worries for tech right now is that we are looking at a different regulatory environment for companies like a Google, Facebook. Are we?
Well,
because now those companies with data are being scrutinized.
Yeah, but the regulatory environment hasn't caught up.
Right,
That's the
but
problem.
will it? Are we looking at a different regulatory, a tighter hand regulation-wise for technology? It's coming, I think.
It's coming, I think, faster in Europe and in the constituent parts of Europe, not just the Commission in Brussels, because we still have the DG, Director General of Competitiveness, Vestager, still has to opine on 2 decisions, I think, in relation to Google. She's opined on 1. There are 2 other decisions to come down. I think the general atmosphere is one of greater concern about restriction and regulation, and that is being exacerbated by Amazon. I mean, the big Amazon threat, Amazon's advertising platform is only probably about $1.5–2.5 billion, so it pales into insignificance currently against Google and Facebook.
Certainly,
but it's coming.
About $5.5 billion on Google.
It's coming. Yeah, but I'm talking about the total. So the 100 plays 100 at Google, or the 40 at Facebook pays 1.5 or 2.5 at Amazon. But Amazon is coming big time.
Yeah. And
not just with Alexa, and it's a bit. They're flooding the market with Alexa. It's a real estate battle, really, to get Alexa and the voice-activated device into the market as rapidly as possible.
Yeah.
And then the others, of course, have voice-activated devices as well, but also the ad platform and also search, Maria, because we reckon that 55% of product searches in the United States emanate already from Amazon. So Amazon as a search device, Alexa as a voice-activated search device, screen-activated now, because Alexa has a screen as well, is becoming very potent.
AT&T Time Warner, do you think this deal happens?
I don't know. I mean, some of the people whose opinion I admire think it won't because of the concentration of power. The argument about verticality is not out of the window, but it's not as important as the concentration of power. And what you have here is now 7 companies, if you include Tencent and Alibaba, which are all more than $500 billion. Yeah. The big issue, I mean, on your program, when one of those companies hits $1 trillion, that will be a banner day, and I'm sure you'll do a deep analysis on why that company got to $1 trillion.
Does the landscape change dramatically if we see Fox sell the assets to Disney? I think so. This is a different deal than the AT&T Time Warner deal.
If that was to happen, it's a seminal moment. Just like when Kraft Heinz tried to acquire Unilever, that didn't last long. It lasted 48 hours. That was a seminal moment, I think, for clients, a wake-up call. Life will never be the same again. I think if Fox and Disney was going to get together, that's a seminal moment too.
Martin, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Martin Sorrell.